what I got in the mail today. Yay! Mail comes late here, and so I wanted to get this out today though, so that you could get in on this deal. This is the new Illustrated Faith Goals Devotional Kit, and if you order it today, and I'll include the link in this video in the comment section, if you order it today, you will get this set of tabbies free. Now, it came opened up in my box, so I had to gather them all. It says they are the Topics Tabbies, and I'll just pour them out for you. A lot of fun ones that say personal growth, compassion, promises, marriage, wash away my sins, just a bunch of different ones, home, generosity, a bunch of different topics, and that's why it's called Topics. So if you order your Illustrated Faith Goals Devotional Kit today, then this will automatically be added to your cart for free. For free. Yay, for free. So you want to check that out. And hey, if you don't get in on it today, that's okay. It's still a great devotional kit, but you won't get these tabbies. And I'm trying to pick these up. All right, so let's dig into the kit and see what it's like. I've not opened it yet, and hopefully I can do this with my hand, with my arm. I may have to turn off the camera for this. Okay, opened it up. I'm in. Okay, so it comes in this. Save this because you can always make a little notebook. So you want to save that. See how they're sized perfectly for that? So maybe we'll do a tutorial on that. So it comes in this clear envelope. And let's see what we have here. All this noise in my house. I love the colors. I love the colors. So you always get this little card with the note from Shanna Noel. Happy New Year, friends. I've never been much of a resolution girl, but I love that we get to start all over with God each and every new day. And it goes on. So fresh new goals. Now, I love the washi tape. Let's look at the washi. Let's look at the washi. Let's see if I can. Oh, these colors are so pretty. All right, so I'm going to tape some of that down. Hopes and dreams. Hopes and dreams. They give you a good fat roll of washi too. I can never use all of this up. So in the kit when I'm using it. So plenty left. Now these are fun, these devotional cards. Look at the shape here. They're in kind of this, what is this shape? It's six-sided. Try to get my geometry out. Look at these. Oh, they're like jewel. Now, how do I love that? Jewels. This is awesome. So this is really cool. He makes my path straight. Every morning, mercy's new. Look at these pretty colors. They're like watercolors. God is doing a new thing. And it's got these grid marks on the back, so you could do journaling. That's really nice. It's a journey of faith. He's a generous card. So these are the journaling cards. Oh, the power of prayer. So it looks like there were 8 that had the images. Is that right? No, not 8. 4 that had the images. And 2 that are journaling cards, if I'm counting that correctly. Okay, let's keep going. Stamp set. Oh, look at the diamonds there, the gemstones. Can you see that? Let me turn it over to something white so maybe you can see those better. Faith, goals, hope, hopes. So that way you can do it in plural. Hope, hopes. And, oh, that's really cool because hope is a noun, hope is a verb. You can do the play on that. Dreams. I don't know if the kit plays on that, but you certainly could. Hashtag, there's an ampersand, dreams. I just love this. I love that little gemstones. Okay, let's see what else we have here. The stickers, they are the clear stickers. So that's awesome. Kindness, peace. Look at those colors and all these gemstones here. I think I'm going to really like this kit. Faith, hope, wisdom. You've got your hearts in a couple of different sizes, your arrows, a couple of just words, banners here, all of these different words. And here are some of the regular devotional cards. These were the shapes. Oh, that's really neat. Okay, so we've got wisdom goals, and these have a session 1. This has the text on it, James, and then the devotional actually on it. Hope goals, session 2. So it's not day 1, day 2, it's sessions. Faith goals, session 3. Prayer goals, session 4. So we've got, okay, wisdom goals, hope goals, faith goals, prayer goals, kindness goals. There we go. That one was upside down. Peace goals, home goals. So these different areas of goals. And, of course, health goals. That's really good stuff. I can't wait to dig into this. So different types of goals for us to dig into. And the fun thing about doing a devotional all together as a community, say the Illustrated Faith community, is that we can all get inspiration from each other. We can bounce ideas off of each other, but we can also grow and encourage each other. So, hey, check out the kit. The link is down in the comment section, so you can pick yours up, and I recommend it. And I'll be sure to do a couple of videos throughout the month of processes and projects using the kit. And don't forget, if you get in by tonight, today is Friday the 12th. So if you get your order in, and this kit is $19.99, if you use the code IF ships free, Illustrated Faith ships free, and I'll leave the code down in the bottom in the comment section, then you'll get free shipping. And then don't forget, if you get it in today, you'll get these free tabbies. So thanks for checking in for this unboxing of the new Illustrated Faith Goals Devotional Kit. I hope you check it out, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.